In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts in Jira. This is really useful if you use Jira with more than one organization, or if you have separate workspaces for different teams or roles. Instead of signing out and back in every time, Jira lets you quickly move between accounts from the same interface. I'll walk you through the simple process step by step, and I'll also point out a few tips so you know exactly what to expect on screen. First, make sure you're already logged into Jira and that you're on any Jira page, such as a project board or your issues list. Once your Jira page is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see your profile area. This is usually represented by your avatar, your initials, or a small profile icon. Move your mouse to that area and click on the profile icon. When you click this icon, a small menu will drop down. This menu contains options related to your account and profile settings. In this menu, look for the option that says Switch Account. The wording may be slightly different depending on your version, but it will clearly mention switching accounts. Go ahead and click on Switch Account. As soon as you select that option, Jira will guide you through the rest of the process with on-screen prompts. These prompts may ask you to choose from a list of accounts that are already associated with your browser, or to sign into another Jira or Atlassian account. Carefully read what's displayed so you pick the correct account, especially if you manage multiple work or client logins. If you see a list of existing accounts, simply click the one you want to switch to. If Jira asks you to enter credentials, provide the email and password for the account you want to use, and then confirm any security checks, like verification codes if they appear. Follow each on-screen step until Jira finishes loading. Once the prompts are complete, you will be redirected back into Jira, but now under the account you selected. You can verify this by checking the profile icon again. It should now reflect the new account details. That's all there is to it. Click your profile icon